Facebook page doesn't have to be all that difficult. It could be that you have a product that you want to advertise, you need to reach a larger audience. It could also be that you have a celebrity and you need a fan page. This tutorial will guide you in just 7 simple steps on how to go about it. Join me. Step 1 on how to create a Facebook page using your mobile phone. There are 2 ways to get through to this or to start. The first one is either to go through your flag icon. Okay, this is a page, this flag that signifies a page, or you go through the 3 horizontal lines. Okay, let's do that and see how it goes. Okay, once you tap on this flag icon, you just see create. This is where you tap. That's the first step. Then if you don't want to go through this channel, you can go through the 3 horizontal lines. Okay, once you tap on it, you just see the same flag icon, and once you tap on it, it will take you to that same place, create. So that's for step 1. Now moving on to step 2. Once you're able to initiate this click here on the create, if you tap on it, it will take you to a place where you can now get started. You can now be able to publicly connect your business and your personal brand by clicking on this get started icon here to take you to a place where you need to cue in your business name. And here I'm going to use Money Concept Services as my brand name. You can go ahead and do that now. And once you're done with it, you click on the next icon. This next icon will take you to another place where you can now choose the category of your business brand. Now for step 3, select 3 categories or subcategories which best describe your brand. Here I'm going to choose supermarket, convenience store, consulting agency. This is not within my brand or restaurant, so I'm going to search here in the search box. You can type using the first alphabet, or you can type in full just to know the category that is best for your brand. Here I'm going to choose home decor. Home decor, and you can see home decor is here. We have other options, but I'm going to choose home decor, and that's it. Just 3, it's okay. So once you're done with this, click on next. Step 4 is where you add your address. You can either add it here using this box, or you can decide not to add it tapping on this box here. Okay, so whichever you prefer. Once you just tap on it, you click on next. So here I'm going to add an address. For those of you that want to make use of address here, you can just make use of the city. You can just type the city, and then it's enough. Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Okay, and once you're through with this, click on next, which will take you to the next step, step 5. If you have a website, you can add it. If not, repeat same procedure by clicking the other option box here. Okay, that you don't have a website. So let's make it faster. I don't have a website. Then click on next to take you to the next step, which is to add an image. Step 6. Add an image and a cover page from your gallery by clicking on the written icons as shown here and here, which will take you to your saved folders of picture. Select a picture and click on done. So let's get on with it. You tap on add profile picture. You can select any picture here. You add. This is the picture I've already designed. You can meet a graphics designer to create one for you. Once you tap on or select the picture, you click on save here. Then you move over to the add cover photo here. You tap on it. You also select a picture. It can be different pictures. It must not be the same picture. Once you tap on or select the picture you want, you tap on save. And once you're done with this, you move over to the next step. Click on done, which takes you to the next tab where you add your WhatsApp contact. Now moving on to step 7. At this point, our page is almost up. You can now complete some sections as suggested, like adding your WhatsApp number, inviting your friends, create a first post, add a button, add more information, add any information you haven't uploaded, ensure that you add hours available to attend to customers. So let's add the WhatsApp number here. Once you key in your WhatsApp number, you tap on continue. Okay, so once this comes up, Facebook will send you a code where you can now input the code and advance. Now we have come to the final step. Our page is set up. Okay, now we can complete some sections as suggested by Facebook. As you can see, they're already telling us there are some other next important steps to take, showing here, and it is telling us to click on next. So once you click on next, it will take you to the next version of the important step to take, which is to invite your friends. Now, if you tap on this invite your friends, it will take you to the point where you have lists of friends, okay? Your friends, you can now send them an invite. Scroll over like this, like slide over to the next page, okay? You have the three lines. You have like about 5 dotted lines, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to complete the major steps as suggested by Facebook. So we've already connected our WhatsApp, so we're going to move to the next one. Create your first page. Now if you tap on create your first page, you can write something, what's on your mind. You can just maybe add picture. Okay, you can add an image, a saved photo. Okay, you can use your background or your cover page and maybe write something on top of it. Okay, you can make a live video if you want. These are just things that you can do on your first Facebook page. So I prefer to use the banner that I created. Okay, let me use the banner that I created, which is this. Welcome, Omani. Okay, so this is it. I can now share it. Once you're done with this, the next thing to do is to share. Of course, you know how to do this. For those of you that have been on Facebook for a long time, it's just a normal way of doing things. You can just share so many things now. Okay, now in the particular essay, I'm going to also talk about how to boost your posts. It comes with an ad, like you make. You're going to select a few number of people that you want to, like a target audience, and make payments to online so that people can easily see your page and patronize you. So this is for the boost post, okay? But we're not going to do that now. It will be in the part. So once you're done with this, you can now click on share. Okay, we have shared. So that is our first post. Then the next is to add buttons for visitors. Here you choose the actions that you would like people to take and select from the drop-down list. You add a button, either a call or a message or a like button, whichever you prefer. So once you are done with this, you can now get started. It takes you straight to more settings. Okay, you can just check through what you need to do, more things. If you feel they're not necessary, you can just keep it. But I'm going to explain more details on add your description, how to add your description. Okay, I'm going to explain that in the part 2 essay. So that's just the basic step, the first step of creating a Facebook page. So moving on to explaining how to create a Facebook page on your computer, it's important to ensure that that the internet browser is loaded up, and all you need to do is to click on the search bar here. This is the search bar located at the top of the screen, and type in web.facebook.com. Hit enter on your keyboard and wait for another prompt to come up where you input your information, your personal information like your name and your password. Now they bring up speed on the home page or the home of the Facebook. If you notice, the interface here is quite different from the mobile version. So here there are 3 shortcuts of commencing or starting up creating your page. Here at the left side, the middle side, and also right side, which is located here in the 9 dotted lines. Now starting up from the left side, we click on it, we click on the flag icon. It will take you to where you have create new page. Okay, once you tap here, it will bring you up to speed where you can now input your information. This is for the left flag located in the left corner of the page. Now for the middle flag here, if I click on it, it will take me also the same place. where I can click on it, the plus sign, create new page, and also take me back to this place. So they both share the same function, so it depends on which you prefer. Here it's when you click on the 9 buttons, it will bring up menus and down lists. Here if you look at the flag that has page, and also it will take you to the prompt where you your business name. Your business name, it's very crucial here, because if you type in a name that has been used, Facebook will not authorize it. So let's type in, I'll type in One Click Media. So here is One Click Media. That is my Facebook name here. Okay, and once you tap outside of it, you can see there's a green tick confirming that this name can be used. So if you want to learn more about naming your page, you can click here to learn more. So here the next version is selecting your category. Here you need to select 3 categories, okay, that can help the right people to find you. If you are a tailor, you don't need to choose restaurant, because tailoring and a restaurant are not the same, they're not in line. If you are into a food service business, you don't need to choose a home decor as a category. Okay, so here you have to choose something that is in line with your business. Here I'm going to use tutor, because that is what this page is all about, tutoring. Okay, and also social media contents, because that is what I bring to the table, and also it's a school, it's a place to learn. Okay, so that's just it for now. These are my 3 categories. Okay, now here you add a short description of what your brand is all about. Here I'm going to say One Click Media. It's all about love for basic learning. Okay, you don't need an expert. So that's it. Okay, so once you're done putting in your description, you now click on create page and wait a second for it to register your name before you proceed on other things like adding your images and your cover page. So now it said One Click Media wanted. Now you can now add your images. So you can see this tiny line, scroll down. Okay, just hold still the left thumb of your mouse and scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see where you can now add your profile picture. I've been able to add links. If you check out the description box of page of this, you will see links of different online free and premium online websites that offer you the design your own logo yourself. So there are free versions and there are premium versions. So just check out the description page and click on it to find out more. So here I've been able to, I have a saved image saved up in my desktop on a folder called One Click Media. So ensure that you know where you saved up your images. Okay, and once I click here, okay, and it's loading. Okay, it's saved now. Now the same thing applies here. Add a cover photo. Alright, so I'm going to find, and it's that you tap once and open, or you just double click. Alright, so it will also, it's saved up. Alright, let's save our work. Right, our page is almost ready. And remember, I explained how to add a number to your Facebook page. Okay, if you did not get this or you skipped it, please go back, rewind, go back and ensure you understand how to add your WhatsApp number on your Facebook page. So I'm going to leave this because I've explained it on during the mobile tutorial. Now you can see this how our page is. Wow, but there are lots of work to be done here. We've not completed the steps like adding buttons. Okay, what else are we yet to do? We've added our location. Okay, it's crucial. In the mobile tutorial, so it showed us that we need to add locations, all these things, but here it's skipped and it allows you to add it later. So but it's important you add your location, enter your website link, enter your phone number, okay, and edit your business hours, enter your email, okay, and and it's very, very crucial that you fill in this. So once you're done with this, that means you've completed the part 1 of creating your Facebook page. So much you that stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget once more to like, comment, subscribe, and share to someone that may need it. Thank you.